Welcome back to VocabBuilder. Our today's word is thrive. Meaning, thrive means to grow, develop, or be successful, especially in a strong and healthy way. Thrive is a powerful verb used when someone or something grows, flourishes, or succeeds, especially in challenging conditions. It's often used for people, businesses, plants, or ideas. If you thrive, you're not just surviving, you're excelling. Think of a plant that grows beautifully in rocky soil, or a person who becomes stronger after facing difficulties. That's thriving. Synonyms: flourish, prosper, succeed, grow, advance, bloom. Antonyms: struggle, decline, fail, collapse. Let's see some examples. Children thrive in environments where they feel safe and loved. His business thrived during the digital boom. Some plants thrive in dry, sunny climates. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with friends, and subscribe to VocabBuilder for more daily vocabulary that makes you sound smarter and more confident. See you tomorrow with another powerful word, only on VocabBuilder.